Hello, my name is Meridi Novena. I'd like present my presentation about precipitation. Vocabulary. This is the difficult vocabulary I found. Precipitation, pengendapan. Measure, mengukur. Reaches, mencapai. Inches, inji. Equal, sama. Upper, atas. Annual, tahunan. Proximity, kedekatan. Prevailing, berlaku. Diversity, keragaman. Mountain, gunung. Influence, mempengaruhi. Substantially, substansial. Currents, arus. Ascending, main idea. Definition: rainfall. Rainfall causes precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmospheric water in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The average annual precipitation over the whole of the United States is 36 inches per year. It should be understood, however, that all precipitation is not measured equally. For example, a foot of snow does not equal a foot of precipitation. According to the general formula for computing the precipitation of snowfall, 10 inches of snow equals 1 inch of precipitation. In upper New York State, for example, where there is typically a large amount of snowfall every winter, 100 inches of snow in 1 year would be recorded as only 10 inches of precipitation. On the other hand, rain is rain. 40 inches of rain would be recorded as 40 inches of precipitation. The total annual precipitation for an area with 40 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow will be recorded as 50 inches of precipitation. The amount of precipitation that an area receives is a combined result of several factors, including location, altitude, proximity to the sea, and the direction of prevailing winds. Most of the precipitation in the United States is brought originally by prevailing winds from the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, the Great Lakes, because these prevailing winds generally come from the waves. The Pacific coast receives more annual precipitation than the Atlantic coast. Along the Pacific coast itself, however, altitude causes some diversity in rainfall. The mountain range of United States, especially the Rocky Mountains range and the Appalachian Mountain range, influence the amount of precipitation in the areas to the windward and leeward sides of west of the Rocky Mountains. The precipitation north of the Appalachian Mountains averages 40% less than that south of the Appalachian Mountains. As air currents from the ocean move overland, the air moves rise to pass over the mountains. The air cools, and the water is that held in cold falls as rain or snow on the ascending side of the mountains. The air therefore is much drier on the other side of the mountains. Precipitation, commonly referred to as rainfall, is a measure of the quality of atmospheric water in the form of rain, hail, snow that reaches the ground. The amount of precipitation that an area receives is a combined result of several factors, including location, altitude, proximity to the sea, and the direction of prevailing winds.